Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to your channel Barnwal Tutorials Knowledge Wisdom. Here I am Vikas Kumar Barnwal and you are watching basic and English spoken classes and I hope you all are well. Now let's go or let's start our classes. Now friends, today I teach you two important sentences, two important words and two one word substitutions. Okay, every day this is the timetable or a routine. So every day I teach you at say 11 a.m. in the morning. After that, I my class is on 11:30 a.m. top 10 daily current affairs for all competitive examinations like UPSC, sorry, railway, banking, SSC, all sectors. Okay, all types of examinations are. So let's start our today's two important words. First, I teach you two important, I tell you two important words. Okay, so be ready for the words. First one, liable. Second one, rectitude. What? Rectitude. Okay, first one is liable, second one is rectitude. Okay, let's see what is the meaning of liable. What? Liable, it means जवाबदेह. जवाबदेह. Responsible, you can say also sincere. Okay, next one, rectitude. What? Rectitude. Rectitude, it means honest. What? Honest. Imandar, loyal. Okay, you can say. So these are the two important words. Okay, let's go to the two important sentences. What two important sentences? Now let's see first one and second one. First one and second one. Take off your cap, or you can write remove your cap. Okay, next one, what an idea. Okay, these are the two important sentences. So now let's explain take off your cap or remove your cap. What is the meaning? Your meaning is same. What? Your meaning is same. अपना को टोपी या कैप उतारो या निकालो. Okay, the sense निकालो और उतारो. Then you can say remove or take off. Okay, take off your school uniform, remove your shoes and socks, remove your tie. Okay, remove your bag, so you can make or try at your home. Next one, what an idea. You can suddenly say in your school, in your home, office, anywhere, you can say what an idea, what a coincidence. Okay, what a coincidence, what a life. Okay, what an idea. You can say like this suddenly. Okay, these are the exclamatory sentences. Okay, exclamatory sentences. The sentence which express or some sudden feeling, this is called the exclamatory sentences. Okay, it start what, how. Okay, so two important sentences are completed. Now let's go to the one word substitution. One word substitutions. Now the person who study the tree, the person who study the tree or generally study of tree, then you can say everyone know the dendrology, study of tree, dendrology. Okay, then the person who study the tree, then you can say dendrologist. What? Dendrologist. Dendrologist. This is the meaning. This is the spelling. Sorry. Okay. Next one. Next one. A person who study the blood. What? Blood. Then you can say hematologist, or study of blood, hematology. Hematology. Okay. This is the spelling. Then today we learn two important sentences, two important words, two one word substitutions. Now I closed my class, and I request to you, if you want to satisfy my class, then you can join the regular class at 11 a.m. in the morning, and also subscribe my channel, share, like to your friends, to your uh, friends, people, neighbors. Okay, so now we close the classes. Next day we will meet again, and keep watching, keep learning, keep trying. If you want to speak English or a good speaker, then you can also join my classes. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Good day. Have a nice day. Thank you.